What's up guys? In this video I'm going to teach you how to do close-up macro photography of a dragonfly. So the camera I have right now is the Canon PowerShot SX60 and I simply have a clip-on macro lens, which is the Raynox DCR 150, and I'm about 6 inches away from my target, and I simply zoom in with my camera, and you can put it in manual focus in AV mode and then just focus up on your target, get as close as you want on the insect, and then get it in sharp focus, and there you have some nice macro photos that you can take. And you can get in even closer than that, so you can do super macro photography. So I'm at 26 times zoom right now, and this camera has 35 times zoom. And this is a very cheap camera that you can buy used for around $100 on eBay. So here's our super zoom. This is 35 times, and you can take pictures in full quality at this zoom. And you can even go in digital zoom, and you can really see what's going on. So here's the head. It's hard to get focused with it's so windy, but with some practice you can really do whatever you want as long as you have the right lighting and the right equipment. So there goes our dragonfly, and here is a normal fly. So we're gonna move our camera in a little bit closer on this fly. Hopefully we don't scare it away. And let's see if we can get focused on it. That's a nice shot right there. So now it's posing for us. And even though it's windy with a high shutter speed, you can still catch it in between the shakes, in between the destabilizations. So here's another shot. I try to focus in on the eyeballs, and I just take the shot. So there's another pretty decent shot. So that's all you got to do. It's very simple. This is about a $200 setup with the PowerShot SX60, and if you have a nice outdoors place, as you can see, I'm not even in the direct sunlight, and I can still get clear photos, and literally anything you see looks a lot cooler in macro. So check this out. It's a very relaxing thing to do close-up macro photography. It helps to clear your mind, and you can even do it handheld with enough practice. So here's some kind of wasp-like insect. So that doesn't want to sit still, but this guy is. So I'm holding the tripod right now. I'm not even sitting on the ground. As long as you can get a pretty good focus, you can get clear shots like immediately. So shaky, but in about the right position, and I got the shot. But if you wanted to set it up on the tripod, you can get in even closer and get even nicer shots, but it really takes practice. So here is the PowerShot SX60. This is my current macro camera, and as you can see here, just clip the lens on the front, and you have a macro HD 1080p 60 FPS. Nice setup. This one is a lot more expensive than the SX40, but you get the point. So if you have any questions, drop a comment down below, and check out some of the other macro videos and enjoy.